because she knows that we know she's a thief. So if I come back, you know I'm searching her. Remember, I started. Fucking damn it! I just burnt my baby. Shut your dumb ass up. That's terrible.
I don't want to talk to you. You keep insulting me.
You're fucking retarded. She done stole money out your fucking purse, you idiot. I know she fucking did. What the fuck? I didn't even have to say 2 words to Tori. She said Ashley took it. If something's missing, Ashley took it. 2 months ago, she pawned her grandma's wedding ring that she left on the sink in the kitchen. The grandma ended up finding out that it was at a pawn shop. She found out that Ashley was the one who pawned it. She had to go pay $400 to get her fucking ring out the pawn shop. Ashley been stealing from us. The bitch stole my son's birthday money one year. Bitch, who you talking to? She